Hey, marine biology students. This is Mr. Stan with another um, marine animal of the day. Today's marine animal of the day is the Beluga Sturgeon. It's one of those species that has the same genus and species name, Huso huso. So it's kind of easy to remember. This is a very large fish, probably the largest bony fish in the world. It can reach up to 24 feet long and about 3,500 pounds. That is a very large fish. Um, It is sort of like a salmon when it comes to its life cycle, where it lives most of its life in salt water, and then for spawning purposes, it goes upriver in fresh water to lay their eggs. The big difference between them and salmon would be that the beluga sturgeon actually do this year after year after year, and sometimes these larger individuals of beluga sturgeon can actually live well over 100 years. So, pretty cool species, very large, very ancient prehistoric species. Some would estimate over 200 million years they've been on the planet Earth. One of the more primitive lineages of bony fish on the planet. They're covered with these strong bony plates like a lot of prehistoric fish are. Large size, bony plates, very intimidating looking. However, they're pretty much a harmless species that seems to avoid humans at all costs. Um, they're really one of the only species that of I guess sturgeons in the world, because there are other species of sturgeons that actually eat other fish. And it's pretty because of that, it's pretty much one of the largest predatory fish on the planet Earth, being 24 feet long. They have few natural predators. Their biggest predator on Earth by far is humans. Humans desire them greatly, and it's because of one thing. Beluga sturgeon are cursed to have probably the most desirable caviar in the world. Caviar is basically fish eggs. That's the table name for fish eggs, and they can produce millions of eggs, and they can be harvested and sold around the world. Large individuals can carry several hundred pounds of them. They can be worth about $3,500 a pound, and that is a lot of money. So these are very sought after for that. That probably makes them the most valuable fish, monetarily speaking, in the world. They're easy to capture. They have limited legal protection, and they need to be looked after. They really need to be looked at. They're highly vulnerable because of this caviar trade. Just very unusual looking fish, but very important economic fish. There's barbels on the bottom there. Those are for sensing. Very useful for sensing around the bottom. Just very cool fish. So there's Huso huso, the beluga sturgeon, and I hope you enjoyed this look into their life cycle. I hope you guys have an awesome day and enjoyed this version of the marine organism of the day. Thanks.